Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It's about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, align them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. Yo, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So welcome to our new weekly boom and crash market analysis. So you can see let's start with crash 1000, because this is the market that have been giving us value for almost 2 weeks now. I've been selling this market since this level, and we have been holding this market for almost 2 weeks since on the 27th of last month. That's when we have been holding this trade, and you can see it has been going fine. You can see the current profit for this crash 1000 and boom profit 1002 as well. So let's go back to our weekly chart. According to our weekly analysis, let's drag it. So this is the highs and the lows of the weekly candle. So now, since market is rejecting this level and this market is touching this at a base support level, let me mark it. Let's assume this is the lowest level and this the highest. So you see, so this base level now, the market is going to go off. This market will be looking towards to this highs, toward 90 level, or it will look towards the 50% retracement of this bearish candle, today's candle, this one. So market will either look for 50% retracement to 88, 89, or towards which level? To 90 level, which is this level. It breaks 90, then it will be looking towards these highs. So for crash 1000 for this week, always look for buy opportunity, because definitely since market react to this area with this bearish structure, but market is still rejecting this area, so market needs to go up small, even though it will continue going down. So that's that. And you see market have been going, this is an all-time low, so probably market may find support here and look forward. If market go up and break these previous highs, the market is looking for the next impulsive move for a long uptrend. So for crash 1000, look for buy signal next week. Avoid fake spikes. If you look for spike, always put your stop loss 10 candles, 12 candles, highest 15 candles or 20 candles, and you should never risk more than 10% of your account with these signals. So let's go to the next one, which is Boom 1000. So Boom 1000, we have been making money with it for a long time. You see, it's how we scratch this market. See, we have gotten a lot of things here. You see all these bubbles, all these points, in and out, catch so many spikes. So let's go back to based on our analysis. Since that very day I saw this, I will give the signal in my VIP group. After I saw this bearish reversal, this candle, so I was like, this market is going off again, but the market is still consolidating up to now since this candle, because there was a rejection. So now let's go back to the weekly chart. What I want is that this candle, this last week candle, let me get my points. At this level, anywhere market go and meet, I will wait and see how market will react to those levels. these two levels. Number one, at this level. Look at it. So we'll either wait for market to come and reach this level, then we'll look for buy entry, or we should wait for market to reach this area. If market did not break above this height and continue going upward, then we'll look for a sell entry and drive the market down. So for Boom 1000, there are two scenarios. If market come and retest this area and you got a candlestick reversal rejection confirmation, you can just look for buy entry. If market reject and come back up to this level where I'm moving on here, then you can be able to wait and see how market will react to that level. If market reject that level strongly, you can look for sell signal. If market continue to break it and form new highs, then you can look for buy signal to continue the next impulsive move. So that's that about that. Please, for those that are new to this channel, this is Adnan Global Access Forex. We are here to help us European traders to make sure they make money in the forex market. For those that are new, can also subscribe to our channel, and we also have some free signals that we always offer daily, weekly, and even the midweek. So check in the link below in order to get those details. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So let's move toward crash 500. Crash 500. Sorry, the network is still loading. You see, for crash 500, so back to our weekly chart. Last week we have captured some trades. So you see, this market is approaching an all-time support. So I'll look for possible reversal. See the way market is reacting to this level. Look at it here. See, market touch here, reject it, touch here. So if market reject it for the second time, that means this is a strong level and market may likely hold, and will look for possible upward movement. So for crash 500, wait for market to see what is going to happen around this area. If you get any rejection confirmation with a strong bullish confirmation, you are good to go. For those that are my VIP signals, we will still catch pips the way we catch pips last week, because we have catch more than 600 to 1,200 pips last week, including this market that are still running. All these signals are VIP signals. This one is even given since 27th of last month. So that's what you should understand. So let's go for crash Boom 500. Look at it here. Let's check Boom 500 and see how it will go. And you see Boom 500, it seems like a bullish reversal, but we haven't yet have confirmation yet. Let me show you why I said so. If you look at the way market is reacting to this level, let's use weekly chart. And let's go back to the daily chart. But let's check the highs and the lows of the weekly candle. And where? Yes. So now look at this two. So either market to break this level, either market should break it and continue going up, or market should continue going down lower. But as far as I'm concerned, for this market, I will ignore this market. For those that are my VIP signals, VIP members, I will give you some full information next week about this particular market. So that's that about that. Before I round up, I promised somebody that I'm going to talk about jump index. So let me see. Jump index is not even here. Let me see. Jump index. Let me add 100 at 75. They are the only two that we'll be looking at from now till next week. Every week we'll be looking at jump index, market jump 100 index, and jump 75 index. So this is the weekly chart. Let's go and analyze it. So you see, market has broken below new low on this market. Market has just broken below a new low here. So market is possibly trying to retest it before it continues moving lower. But let's use last week candles to analyze this market. This is the highs for the candle, and this is the lows for the candle. Please, for those that don't understand these highs and lows for a candle, it's a strategy that we use to identify our weekly zones in order to trigger possible reversals at those weekly zones. So for more information on this strategy, kindly contact me or join our mentorship to be able to get full information and full access to the strategy and to the concept as well. So that's that. So market, let's go to the daily chart. You see, so we are having a zone here, a verified zone. Market is reacting to this zone and it break it, but it's not yet a confirmed breakout, because I want to see how I can still break this level to continue going lower. So as far as I'm concerned, since there was a break up new structure, I'll always be looking forward for sell signal. Will continue going lower. Market will go for a lower prices. But let's check on this. Those are my VIP group. I think I will try and see if I can generate some signals for you within the week on jump index. Jump 75 index, let's see. Almost similar to what we have there. Let's check and see. Let's check and see. You see? These two, but this one is a different scenario, because this one market is reacting and rejecting a premium level, or market is rejecting an area of value. This is an area of value because it's an area in a chart where price is rejecting. You see how market, anytime market comes to this level, there's a week. So this is a clearly possible reversal, but we need strong confirmations in order to buy. You see, for those that might be a VIP group, can be able to get some information from me with respect to the jump 75 index, because we need for market to come and have a serious rejection on this particular area that can be able to go on and continue our market. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So for jump 75 index, look for buy signals. For jump 100 index, the market is still in a breakout range, so wait for market to retest that area so that we can be able to cap our next potential downward movement. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.